Here's how to make your own DIY texture paste. I use some baby powder, 1/4 cup. I use some school glue, 1 tablespoon. I've got just a regular mixing bowl and a spatula that I use just for craft things. And then I add 1 tablespoon of white matte acrylic paint to the mixture and mix with a spatula until it's well blended. This doesn't take very long at all, and it's a great emergency solution if you're sitting down to make a project and your texture paste has dried up and you need a little bit, or if you just don't feel like running to the store. As you're mixing up your texture paste mixture, spray with water. That is ingredient number 4. Make sure it's a spray bottle so that you can adequately control the blend. This is also a great idea for a beginner who's not sure if they want to invest in a really high quality texture paste. You can see if you even like using stencils or texture paste in your projects. This is a really nice consistency. Look how it's turning out. And immediately after I make it, I have a stencil and some cardstock ready, and it goes really nicely through the stencil with great results. I can store the leftovers in a little plastic container and keep using it for a few weeks. Isn't that great? Thanks so much for subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.